I'll dismiss the other stuff right now. If there's nothing further, Mr. Nigel, you pay that at any div that, Mr. Love, you pay that at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you come down to the courthouse and pay that in person, all right?
What is div that?
Div that, D-I-V-D-A-T, they're around the city and Myers and stuff like that.
Okay.
And or you upload the div that app to your phone.
Okay.
All right, you pay that, close it out. Make sure you get it paid because I don't want it to affect your driver's license.
I'm about to do it right now.
All right, tell your mom and you have a very safe, happy holiday season and good luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you, sir.
Next time, listen to your mom beforehand.
All
So
right.
we could have sped this up a whole lot quicker.
My bad. I got y'all.
All right, have a good one.
All
This is the city of Detroit versus Delano Desmond Gilliam, case number SP134-09273. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Where's Gilliam? Is he around? Oh, he's here. Let's see.
He just came back on.
Mr. Gilliam, you there? Can you connect? Yeah, connect his audio.
Hello?
Mr. Gilliam, you there?
Gilliam, yes, Your Honor.
State your name for the record, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning. My name is Delano Gilliam.
All right, today is the date and time for a show cause, Counselor.
Okay.
Your Honor, my client does stand mute the way his former reading.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Apparently, he made a partial payment. I don't know what this is all.
So is this a review?
It's not a review. He still owes $45. Gilliam, you there?
Yes, I owe $45.
That's what it says here.
Oh, no. Okay. No problem.
When can you pay it?
I can pay that like ASAP now.
Pay it and then what are you gonna pay it at the kiosk?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, pay it and zoom back in, please. Once it's paid, I'll close it out and dismiss the case.
Oh, I'm on my way there now.
Very well.
Okay. I'll see you in a few.
All right.
Okay, bye. Son.
Well, you paying at the kiosk?
Kiosk, yeah. Go to 8 Mile.
Dion Gordon. Oh, the probation person hasn't come in?
No. I didn't know it.
All right, let's see. Pay this. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Dion Gordon, case number U515-00419. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Mr. Gordon, you there?
Unmute yourself, Mr. Gordon.
Mr. Gordon, are you there? Today is the date time set for a review in the matter. He can't hear, I mean, he can hear me, you can't see me. I'm gonna close the matter out under disorderly conduct. He's paid his civil infractions. That was a sentence that preceded me. So he's, in my eyes, he's done what he's supposed to do. He's paid his civil and paid all the money of over $1,200. So I'm gonna close the matter out if there's nothing further, and that's gonna be closed out under disorderly conduct as he agreed to in the with the sentence.
That was Gordon, Your Honor?
Dion Gordon, yes.
Okay.
He's free to leave. Who is on the Zoom user device? Who is Zoom user? I think we named all the people that are in the room now. Let's go with Darkeisha Gibbons. Precious. She's been here before. Ms. Gibbons, are you there?
Who you say? I'm sorry.
I said, Darkeisha Gibbons, turn your camera on, please, ma'am.
Sorry. It won't let me access my camera. Hold on.
All right, well, until you can access your camera, we will, we'll pass your matter.
Hold on. I'm trying to access it. Allows them to access your camera. I just did.
Marvin
I'm not
Lewis,
sure.
we're waiting on counsel for Marvin Lewis. Lano Gilliam is gone. Let's bring some more people in.
So I don't know if I got to go out and come back in because it won't. Oh, there it go. No.
You shouldn't have to.
So at the bottom where it says start video, it won't let me start it. I don't know what I did.
Is London Little there? Mr. Lewis hasn't gotten out of the room yet.
That's fine, Judge.
Hasn't come in the room yet.
Let me see.
London Little there? Okay, London Little. Can you turn your camera on, please? Good morning. London Little, can you turn your camera on, please? No response. Richtown Magazine, what's your name?
Robert Grant.
Robert Grant?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, sir.
You have a valid driver's license, Mr. Grant?
No, not at the moment. Last time I was in court with you, you told me to go to the Secretary of State and find out because you said you didn't see nothing on your.
Insurance blocked you from getting a license, huh?
Yeah.
This is the City of Detroit versus Robert Bartell Grant. Case numbers SP 128-56991, SP 128-58171, 1629-56732, appearance for the record, please, and 1629-56741. Appearance for the record, please.
All phone on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor, your name, sir?
Robert Grant.
Your Honor, this is a pre-trial. Wait a second, I got the wrong guy.
Here before, he indicated that he went to the Secretary of State and that they gave him an issue of getting a license, and I can see why, because of this reinstatement fee. So what I'll do is I'll give you a chance, give Mr. Grant another opportunity to get a license. He's gonna have to come down to the courthouse and pay the reinstatement fee up front.
Okay.
That's $45. The sooner you do that, the sooner clearances will get to the Secretary of State.
Okay. So I need to come down there and pay $45.
Toward 1629-56732.
Okay, Your Honor, can you repeat that one more time? You said
1629-56732. I'm gonna give your client one more pretrial date to get this done. Pay the $45, wait 48 to 72 hours, and then try again and approach the Secretary of State to see if they'll give you a valid driver's license, all right?
Okay.
Well, if they give you a driver's license, it will be valid. As long as you don't do anything to mess it up. All right, have a good day, have a safe and happy holiday season, sir.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. The next court date is going to be January 26th. Did he leave? Uh-oh, he'll get it in the mail. Okay, let's move on to London Little. Did you ever get your camera on, or can you hear me, Little?
Boston?
Lost it. Ted Gloucester. Ted Gloucester. See if Eric Lucy has a driver's license. Ted Gloucester there. On the Lipson's. Ted Gloucester, are you there? Ted Gloucester. He's not. We'll send him a message. What's up? I told him I was. Thank you.
I've been meaning to come and say hi.
And Sean, you later.
Yeah, what's going, oh yeah, what about the training?
I thought that's later in the week.
Today?
Is that today?
Well, I won't be there.
Yeah, I thought they were
I told her I could, 12th and 13th.
12th and the 13th.
Is it gonna be a video, is it gonna be Zoom?
No, I'm kind of live, but if you want to zoom in, that's fine with me. I don't care, however you want to do
Well,
it.
I'm not, I got 14th and 15th.
Yeah, whatever you want to do. So if you want to come in a couple of days, just pick the day and just let me know.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. All right. Okay. Ted Gloucester, you there, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Ted Gloucester, case number SP 125-59401, SP 125-5950, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Ted Gloucester.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Gloucester, do you have valid registration and insurance?
No, sir. I don't even have a vehicle no more. I was
But you're in a vehicle now.
I'm at work right now. I had to sit in this car.
I told you last time we were here, if you showed me some valid registration and insurance, I would give you a block and traffic.
Yeah, but the car I had got stolen. I didn't have that vehicle anymore.
All right, Mr. Goss is here. You want to give me a block and traffic or not?
I got one issue.
Well, hold on a second. All right, listen, Mr. Gloucester, you're behind the wheel of a vehicle right now. Now, I don't know if that's your.
No, it's not my car.
Please. I'm not asking for whether it's yours or not, but I'm just saying, you gotta have insurance registration. I'm gonna give you a break this time. I'm gonna give you, and the speeding, you gotta slow down. I'm gonna give you a break and give you a block in traffic for the speeding ticket, $175. That's 0 points. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, and I'm taking your representation that you don't have a vehicle. I'll dismiss the other 2 tickets. You want to take the deal, sir, or you want to, you have an absolute right to a trial? You can speak to Mr. Clark.
I'll take the deal.
Okay. Mr. Faulkner, on behalf of your client, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an actual factual basis for the responsible plea? And
Yes, Your Honor.
For the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Blocking traffic, sir, $175. When can you pay?
Probably toward the weekend, toward like Friday, like next Monday.
Next Monday?
I can get it done through the week.
Pardon me?
I said I can try to get it done through the week, but no later.
I'll give you until Friday of the 23rd, the week after next.
Okay.
And any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, will come on down to the courthouse and pay it. I don't want this to be something that's going to suspend your license, so make sure you get it paid, sir. If
Okay.
there's nothing further, have a safe and happy holiday season, all right?
I got another question for you.
Uh-huh.
When I took that driver class, when I tried to log in, the name that was up there was David A. Perkins. I didn't see your name up there.
That's all right. The fact that you took the classes, that's the most important thing. They don't give me the respect.
Okay, I couldn't email it out because I had the email
That's
wasn't
all right.
working.
You're gonna you got the same deal as if you took the class.
Okay,
You got the same deal as if you took the class.
all right.
All right, so $175, just make sure you pay that, so, it can get closed out and it doesn't affect your driver's license, all right?
All right, thank you.
Just pre-trial, all of them, just let them pay the reinstatement fee on that. Yeah.
23rd.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Eric Darnell Lipsy. Case number SP 124000531. Appearance for the record, please.
Call phone to represent the defendant. Your name, sir?
Eric Lipson.
Okay, Mr. Lipsy, the day is the date and time set. Good morning to you. But the day is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counselor.
Yeah, waive formal reading and stand mute.
All right, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. He doesn't have a valid driver's license. I guess the city is probably only gonna offer him a failure to display. I don't know what's going on, but I have his license in front of me.
Your Honor.
Hold on a second, sir. So, let's see. Mr. Lipsy. Failed to display out of Roseville. Drove while license suspended. Crash. That reinstatement date was 8/30/2022. Eight thirty. When's the last time you've been to the Secretary of State, sir?
I was at the Secretary of State probably 4 months ago.
Take your hat off, please. 4 months ago.
I have paid.
That probably puts him right at the time where they reinstated his license, where they removed the reinstatement date was 8/30/2022 on most of these matters. I don't know what that failure to display is going to do for him getting a license, but I know if he takes another failure to display, it's going to suspend his license probably for more than the 30 days. It's probably going to do it a year or two. I'll give your client an opportunity to get back to the Secretary of State, Mr. Faulkner, and see if he can get a license.
That's what I suggest, Your Honor.
Granger, Mr. Granger, we can do improper things.
All right, you want to go try to get back to the Secretary of State, Mr. Lipsy?
Yes, sir.
All right, it says a reinstatement date on most of these tickets was 8/30/2022. That sounds like you went there, if you went 4 months ago, you probably just before that date came around. So I'm gonna give you a pre-trial date. I want you back here on January the 26th, 2023 at 8:30. See if you can get a valid driver's license, sir.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season, and good luck to you. I'll see you back in the new year, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right. Where's the central trial? Who's the officer?
I think there's two officers on.
I'm here.
All right, let's go with the Samsung. What's your name, sir?
Oh, I thought you said
Mario.
Grant. My bad.
Mario Gray.
Mario Gray.
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Let's get Granger. All right, the deal is, what's the deal? Improper plates and dismissing the rest.
I think it's 4 minutes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Previn Devane Granger. Case number SP 742515, counts 1 and counts 2.
Your Honor, I never drove a car with improper plates. You want to talk to you said that, right?
Sir, let's take this one step at a time.
Give it a minute, sir. Give it a minute. You'll get your explanation. Case number 17388993, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Previn Granger.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. So what the improper plate was, that's an offer to Officer Spidell is here. Let's bring him in the room. Corporal Spidell, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Corporal Spidell, back for the Detroit Police Department.
Can't hear you, sir. Corporal Spidell, can't hear you.
Corporal Spidell, badge 402, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
So the offer is pleading to the amended count of improper plates. You had a no insurance and an improper license. That improper plate is amended from the no insurance because if you get a no insurance, they don't look favorable on the Secretary of State. The improper plate is not abstract to the Secretary of State. It's $240 fine, and I'll dismiss that misdemeanor upon payment of $240. And then we'll dismiss the other matters. Of the 17 cases, Mr. Faulkner, I don't see an Officer Carlson here. Brian Carlson.
Yes,
So
that's correct, Your Honor. Motion to dismiss.
All right, I'll dismiss those now, no officer. So basically a 1-for-1 on the insurance and improper license that Corporal Spidell wrote.
Mr. Granger?
Yes.
It doesn't matter if your plates are good or not. This is a plea bargain. So they're reducing a more serious charge to a lesser charge, so it's your advantage to plead to it. Even if, okay?
Okay.
You understand?
You want to speak to Mr. Faulkner in a breakout room about it?
No.
I
You
think
want
it's
to take
great,
the
Your
deal?
Honor.
Yes.
All right, so we can raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand that the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you take this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to October 20th, 2017 at around 1:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Linden and Terry Street, sir. Were you operating a 2007 Ford around that date and time?
I remember it like it was yesterday. Yeah. I was about to say, I don't even remember this, but yeah.
And that's why I threw the car in there, because a lot of times you might not exactly remember the date, but you remember the vehicle, right?
Yes.
And then we talked about the vehicle. Was that officer asked you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, it wasn't in the car at the time, but it had insurance and registration too. I just didn't have it in the car at the time.
Okay. Well, you didn't have a valid driver's license at the time, though, did you?
No, I got it now though. When we talked to you last time, I just went and paid all my stuff, came down there and paid. I got valid driver's license now. I didn't though at the time. no.
Dismissals, Your Honor.
Corporal Spidell, do you mind dismissing this matter since he had valid documentation at this time?
Run his license.
No, it's right here. It's right here.
It's right now. It is valid. It is valid.
That's why we.
Congratulations, sir.
Thanks a lot. And guess what? If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have got him. When I went to court the last time, my grandma was here.
No. I'm not gonna take the credit for it. You did what you were supposed to do.
Facts. And it's been 10 years since I had my license, man.
That's what's up.
Corporal Spidell, do you have any objections to dismissing this matter? You're on mute.
No.
No, I have no
Thank
objection.
you.
All right.
Okay.
Well,
Thank you, Corporal Spidell.
and Mr. Granger, you gotta thank Corporal Spidell too.
Thanks a lot. I appreciate you.
All right, we're gonna dismiss the matters for providing valid documentation. And what we'll do is I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. Now, look here, you owe the court a lot of money.
I got some money down there. You can't take it and pay it. Like I think she took when I talked to you.
We'll take that, but I don't know if that's gonna cover it all. Let's see, you got 200.
And can you tell me what's written there left? Because I paid.
Hold on, 200, he's got, let's see, 200, you got 800 here. What we'll do is we'll apply that 800 and then you'll still owe some more, but that'll be a nice little chunk.
Okay.
If you want to come down to the courthouse, dismiss, provided, valid, docs. Corporal Spidell, I appreciate, do you have anything else, Corporal Spidell?
No, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, if I don't see you before the holiday, Corporal Spidell, have a safe and happy holiday season and be safe out there. You're free to leave. And what we'll do is you can come down to the courthouse, Mr. Granger. You might want to bring, seem like he's flush with cash nowadays. You might want to bring some extra money too to settle up, but they can apply those bonds to the cases. We're going to dismiss those cases today. I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll pay the reinstatement fee. Let me write that down there too.
So I just want to come up, go to the desk and tell her that I want to apply that bonds.
Well, we'll apply yeah, if you come down to the window, you can tell them to apply the bond to whatever you owe, and then they can give you a total on everything that you owe.
Okay.
But you got a valid license. Congratulations, sir. I know that's comforting, and that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to make sure that everybody that comes through 434 is going to get a valid driver's license.
I appreciate you for that. Thanks a lot.
All right, have a safe, happy holiday season, and I'll see you out and about.
All right, thanks a lot.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor.
Oh, do we have Marvin Lewis yet?
I was just going to say, Judge, I'm going to step away briefly. I will be back here momentarily.
No, Tim, I'm just about to give you the offer for Mr. Lewis.
Oh, and that's great. I don't know if it's going to be useful right now. I needed to have a conversation because it's a weird case.
Okay.
But I'll be back in just a little bit.
Call me.
Yeah, we'll do.
Okay.
No, I find out. I think he's not. Great, Mario Gray. Okay, here he is for trial. All right, we can call this case because let's see, we have Officer Ruiz and Garcia. I don't see them have ever showed up. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Maurice Gray, case number SP 108-8418, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 9804391, in 19-506-8281. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Mario Gray.
Your Honor, day time set for trial for all matters. I have not seen Officer Rios or Garcia. I move to dismiss.
Hello?
Hold on a second, Mr. Gilliam.
Yes, sir.
All right, state, you already stated your name for the record. Let's see who these other tickets are for. I have some other tickets here that are under, why is it coming up like this? I have some other tickets here in Mr. Gray's name. Let's see what's going on with this. What's your birthday, Mr. Gray?
12/5/1974.
I knew you weren't born in 91.
No, that's my oldest son.
Oh, I could have put money on that. And that's why that's coming up. He needs to come see us.
You told me that earlier when I first came. I told him about it. He said he's gonna try to get there.
He's not ready yet, huh?
I guess not, but I am.
No, he wants us to. I can kind of make him ready a little bit. You want me to put a little nudge to it?
Hey, go ahead and do what you got to do.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
I can kind of push it along a little bit.
Hey.
All right. I am going to set aside the default in SP 108-84221 as I've typically done for case tickets that happened during the pandemic. That was written by the same officer. And I'm going to now grant Counselor's motion because I don't have an officer on either case. So the motion is going to be granted. I'm going to waive the warrant fees, and I'm going to make you pay the reinstatement fees if you want to get a driver's license.
I have one.
Okay, if you want to keep the driver's license then.
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further. Mr. Gray, have a safe, happy holiday season, and good luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
All right. Okay, Mr. Gilliam, what are you doing back?
Oh, I paid the $45, Your Honor.
Oh, let's see. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilliam, SP 134-09273. I'm going to dismiss the case for paying it off. All right, case is going to be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir.
And you too.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes,
sir.
This place.
Awesome.
Hello.
Go.
All right, did Mr. Little ever get his, Mr. Little?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, good morning. Can you take your hat off, please, sir?
I don't have a hat on.
Oh, that's you. Okay, I had Kevin Olin with the hat. I'm sorry. This is City of Detroit versus London, Eric Willie Little Jr., case number SP 133-4244, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
London Eric Willie Little Jr.
Okay, Mr. Little, today is the date and time. Oh, it's set for a trial as well. Let's see what's going on with this. Matthew McKinney. I haven't seen a Matthew McKinney set up in here either, have you?
I have not, Your Honor. In the present time, there are no officers, so
It is some officers, Officer Orbitz is here. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
motion to dismiss.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss all the cases, no officer. If there's nothing further, Mr. Little, you have a safe, happy holiday season, all right?
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. You also.
All right, have a good one, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
All right, let's go with, where's, Mr. Mc-
Okay. One second. What's your name?
They're in the waiting room. I'm gonna pull them all out.
Okay. If I can take
All right, Kevin Oldham,
Yes,
good morning to you, sir.
good morning, Your Honor.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Kevin Martell Oldham, case number SP 134-73913 and SP 140-17482. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, your name, sir?
Kevin Martell Odom.
That appears like it's up for review.
It's up for review. I think I might have that. Let's see.
Okay.
Yes. I have one up for review and I have one up for arraignment. Let's deal with the review first. Today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. I am going to now.
Something's not right, Your Honor.
I'm gonna now dismiss this case, the SP 134-73913. I'm gonna dismiss because we paid. Okay, now let's go back to SP 140-17482. That was an improper plate ticket. He also got, on the same occasion, an unregistered untitled back on 10/27/2022. For purposes of arraignment, go ahead, Counselor.
Wait for more reading, stand mute, Your Honor.
Well, in a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, will give your client a $0 bond. He was somewhere, for some reason, this was dismissed by party per plea. And it appears that, I don't know what happened to this other.
Your Honor, you said you were going to dismiss those cases if I paid, the monies I just paid before then. You told me to go take a defense driver's class to be certified. And when I came back with the certification, you said because of those other ones that you just mentioned, that those would be dismissed if I paid the monies that I just paid.
All right. I had it written here, so. All right, I'm gonna dismiss both of the cases. He did pay the one case, so both cases are gonna be dismissed. And it appears that you owe some reinstatement fees, but you probably owe the court $180,225 in reinstatement fees from old cases. All right. So we dismiss this stuff that we had. Those are old reinstatement fees from back in the day.
And I still have to pay those?
Yeah, you should.
I have a driver's license. I have my driver's license.
All right. I'm just the messenger now. All right, Mr. Oldham. If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, and I'll dismiss the one improper plate. Both of the cases are going to be dismissed today.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good one, sir.
You too.
Where's Mr. Lindsay?
Oh, he said, he called, he didn't wait me. Wait a minute.
I got him. I'm gonna respond to them all.
Hello.
Your Honor, can we
Hello?
get in the breakout?
Hold on a second, one at a time. I gotta check some people in. I got Tyrone Deshaun Lee.
Yes, sir. The camera.
Where's Tyrone Deshaun Lee?
Right here, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good
morning.
Who's that on the iPhone?
Oh my God. It's Darkeisha, but I'm
saying, oh my God.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to access this camera still. This is Darkeisha.
Who is that? Who is it? What's your name?
Darkeisha Gibbons.
All right, let's solve this case. This is the city of Detroit versus Tyrone Deshaun Lee. Case number SP 1217801. Counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1238206 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Lee.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Lindsay, are you driving, sir? You're gonna have to pull over. I'm gonna put you out the room until you get pulled over. Mr. Lindsay, are you driving? For Tyrone Lee.
I don't have a phone.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead, counselor, for Mr. Lee.
What was the first
Tyrone
charge?
Lee, can
Yes,
you
sir.
state your name for the record, Mr. Lee?
Yeah, Tyrone Deshaun Lee.
Paul Faulkner, representing Mr. Lee, Your Honor. Here's a date time set for trial. And Officer Povish and Officer Wiggins. I don't see them on the screen, Your Honor.
All right, today is
Motion to
the time
dismiss.
set for trial in the matter. I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss based on no officer. Povish, is Officer Povish here? I got Curtis Good, Corporal Good. What time did you get here?
I've been here since 9 o'clock, Your Honor. This is Corporal Good since 9 o'clock.
Good morning to you. All right, I'm gonna,
Good morning, sir.
no Officer Povish or Officer Wiggins. I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss no officer. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee as well.
Thank you, sir.
There's nothing further, sir. You have a safe and happy holiday season. Your cases are gonna be dismissed.
You too, sir. Thank you.
All right, have a great day.
Okay, yes, sir.
I don't have any, I closed that thing up. Mr. McNeil, what's going on with your, good morning to you. What's going on with your client?
Good morning, Your Honor. I was just told to call in if the court remembers this matter was scheduled for a trial, but it was on the election day. So I was just calling to get a new date, Your Honor. And Mr. Goss and he's actually given me some more discovery. So I'd like to just have the opportunity to review that discovery. If we could just set it for another pre-trial.
Where's Mr. Green? Is he here?
No, Your Honor. I didn't even advise the client. I just called to get a new date, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Eric Green. Case number SP 1366637 counts 1, 2, and 3, and U 231511915. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brandon McNeil appearing on behalf of Eric Green. I asked the court to waive Mr. Green's appearance for this pretrial. I'm just requesting an adjournment so that I can review the discovery that was provided to me.
All right. You put your P number on the record, Counselor?
P number 81300.
All right. You want a trial date or you want another pretrial date?
Another pretrial date, Your Honor, so that I can review this discovery with Mr. Green.
All right, pretrial date is, I'm gonna waive the client's appearance. Pretrial date is gonna be January 26, 2023 at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, nothing further. Have a great day, sir.
You as well.
Okay, let's go from the top. Who's on the Galaxy A10e?
Terrence Graham, Your Honor. I was previous on the iPad.
All right. Terrence Graham?
Yes.
Well, why are you back?
My iPad keeps cutting off on me.
I thought we called your case. Terrence Marion Graham?
Yes.
Didn't we dismiss that case? Trial. This is City of Detroit versus Terrence Marion Graham. Case number SP 1322741. You got it?
No, sir, I don't have it.
Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant. Your Honor, I didn't check him off, so I think this is the first. Your name, sir?
Terrence Graham. Graham, like graham cracker.
Mr. Ogletree was his attorney, I believe.
Yeah, I did.
The case and probably Mr. Graham had got his device. He probably wasn't responsive. I think he wasn't responsive because his device. So, Mr. Ogletree, today is the date and time. I don't care who handles it. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Faulkner or Mr. Ogletree.
Yeah, Aaron Ogletree about for Mr. Graham. Say your name, sir.
Terrence Graham.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. I'll have Michael DeBuck, Officer DeBuck.
We respectfully request a dismissal, no officer.
Okay, I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss, no officer. You still owe the court some substantial amount of money here, Mr. Graham.
Yes.
I will dismiss that case. If there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season, sir.
Okay, Your Honor, how do I go about handling all these other cases?
Cash.
Cash?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I guess that's it. Have a happy holiday.
All right, have a good one, sir. Be safe out there.
Thank you.
All right, let's move on to, that's the Galaxy. Who's on the phone at 313-633-5584?
Rico, good morning, Your Honor. It's Rico Gordon.
Gordon?
Gordon.
Rico.
Yes,
Rico Ricardo Gordon.
yes, sir.
Got a lot of tickets in here, Mr. Gordon.
I know, Your Honor, the tickets, a lot, what was going on with those tickets is some of the tickets are.
Hold on a second, let's do this, proper way.
Okay.
All right, let's call the case the City of Detroit versus Rico Ricardo Gordon, case number SP 11-71749, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 123-521-2, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 123-521-3-1. SP 123-624-6, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 123-629-3-1, appearance for a record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, and your name, sir?
Rico Gordon, Rico Gordon.
Your Honor, all these matters up for arraignment. My client waives formal reading, stands mute.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. It's all paper cases. You want to speak with Mr. Faulkner in a breakout room and you tell him your story?
Yes.
Or you want a trial date?
No, I'll tell him. I'll tell him.
Okay. Put you in a breakout room and
Has there been an offer made, Your Honor?
not yet. It's a lot of paper cases here. I can get Mr. Goss to give him an offer. It appears that these tickets, let me see, resulted in from 3 different stops. Let me see to make sure.
Yeah. It appears that way.
8/11/2021. 8/11/2021. 8/6/2021, when it rains, it pours.
Yes.
And 3/3/2021. All right, join the breakout room, Mr. Gordon, and speak with Mr. Faulkner, okay?
Yes.
He's in there. Officer Hernandez.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Who are you here on?
Good morning, sir. Defendant's last name is Garrett.
Garrett?
Yes, sir.
What time did you get here?
I've been clocked in before 9. I was just in the waiting room for the longest.
And who's the first name? Teresa Garrett? Is Teresa Garrett here? All right, you may have to, let me see if I can. All right, Lindsay, let's get Deshaun Lindsay. He's on a review.
Yes.
Morning to you, sir.
You said Deshaun Lindsay?
Yes. This is the City of Detroit versus Deshaun Romel Lindsay, SP 11201-031, SP 11335-111. State your name for the record, Mr. Lindsay.
Deshaun Lindsay. Aaron Newtree about for Mr. Lindsay.
Yeah, today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter, but Mr. Lindsay, you haven't paid your money.
I've been paying on it slowly. I'm still paying. I should have had the rest of it paid. I had a family emergency, so I had to make a few adjustments.
How long has it been?
Uh,
Since it's been since February.
February.
Like the case number, sir?
I mean, since September. I think it was like nine
I
something.
think it's been since February. Okay. So September 6th. All right. When can you pay, sir?
I'm supposed to be paying some more on it tomorrow on my check clear. I just made a payment on Friday when I finally got some extra money.
All right. Well, put a date on it, please.
Can you give me to the end of December?
I'll give your client until January 17th.
Okay, that's cool.
We'll set it for a review at 8:25. All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lindsay, have a safe, happy holiday season. I'll see you back in the new year on January 17th with all this paid off, so we can put it behind us. All right.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
Have a good holiday.
You too.
Clarence Lee, he's here, but I think that he needs to get his audio connected. Mr. Lindsay, Edward Lindsay, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Are you Edward Lindsay the third?
Yes, sir.
Today, this is the city of Detroit versus Edward Lindsay III, case number SP 133469291. Appearance for the record, please.
And we're in the overture about for Mr. Lindsay. Please state your name, Mr. Lindsay.
Edward Lindsay.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. This is a state case. I can get you an offer if you want to wait, or we can set a trial date. That trial date is going to be February 7th, 2023. You want to wait on an offer, or you want to just set a trial date? It's going to be probably the same.
Yeah, we could wait on the offer.
Yeah, Mr. Ogletree, the offer is probably going to be the same on the date of trial. He can only do better. He can't do any worse. But I can wait if he wants to wait on an offer.
Mr. Lindsay, we're going to request a trial date.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Instead of sitting here waiting all day, if they show up, then we'll get an offer on that date. If they don't show up, the case will get dismissed, and then you'll still have an opportunity to speak with the lawyer and discuss everything, and you'll make a determination then.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, strike that. February the 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Trial.
Thank you.
If there's nothing further, have a safe and happy holiday season, sir.
Yes, sir, you too.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I go into a breakout room with Mr. Goss?
Yes. Here's Mr. Goss right here, Mr. Faulkner.
Yes, I need an offer on Rico Gordon, but I'd like to talk to Mr. Goss before he makes the offer.
Okay, here you go. He wants to talk to you on this file here. All right, Officer Wiggins.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. We dismissed your case. I didn't know that you were. We have a half-hour grace period.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a safe and happy holiday season, Officer Wiggins.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay, let's go with, Clarence still has, connected to the audio. I think that's Clarence Lee. All right, let's go with, from the top. Who's on the phone at 956-609-0315?
That's me, Your Honor.
And who is me?
Fulgencio Gonzalez.
What is that?
Fulgencio Gonzalez. Fulgencio Gonzalez.
Gonzalez. Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez. You need an interpreter?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's see where Mr. Gonzalez is.
Repeat yourself.
I don't see you on the docket.
Pues I'm supposed to be here because they sent all my paperwork to Texas, and my ex-wife sent me the copy that I needed to be recorded here at December the 12th. For some tickets, a ticket.
Yeah, that sounds right. And I have the last name G. So spell your name for me, please.
Okay, my name is Fulgencio. Gonzalez is
F-U-L-G-E.
G-N-I. No, let me go again. It's Fulgencio. Gonzalez is Gonzalez.
Let me see what it says. You already looking?
I can't find
Do you
it.
have another middle name? Do you have another?
Buck. Look,
Buck?
let me. Yes. Buck Gonzalez. Fulgencio. Let me spell it out again. It's Fulgencio.
I-C-O. I got that. But and Gonzalez, do you have a hyphenated last name? You see it?
No, sir.
19.
Oh, you're on the 19th.
What was it, Your Honor?
You're supposed to be here on the 19th.
Week from today.
Next
Oh, they
Monday,
told me on the
let's see.
12th.
Print out.
Print it out.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's all. Oh, I was wondering on that. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Nico Gonzalez. Did I get that right?
Yes, sir.
Case number SP124-50941, SP124-51001. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Fulgencio Gonzalez.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause. We'll set it for a show cause today, the date and time.
Wait for him a reading, stand mute, Your Honor.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. And this is 1 to 5 and a no license. We'll give him a blocking traffic and $175. That's not going to be any points, sir. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State, and we'll close it out and we'll dismiss the other matter. You want to take that deal?
Can you repeat yourself again, sir? I could barely hear you.
So for the speeding ticket, I'll offer you a blocking traffic, $175. And
Okay.
we'll dismiss the other improper license ticket. That's a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, and it is a civil infraction. We'll just close it off. I'd call it like an expensive parking ticket. That's how I describe it. Want to take the deal, sir? You have an absolute right to a trial.
What was it, sir?
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You gotta disturb.
I have to go outside to kick me out.
What was the case number on this, Your Honor?
It's SP 124-50941 and
Okay.
SP 124-51001.
Okay.
Your Honor, can I get the spelling of Mr. Gonzalez's first name?
FULEGNICO.
Thank you.
All
Your
right,
Honor,
who's on the phone at 313-718-4804? Okay, who's on the phone at 313-856-3961?
Stephen Love, Your Honor.
That was delayed reaction.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Yes, can we release the officers?
Well, we gotta find out who's all here and who's not. I don't think, is Teresa Garrett here?
And also Clarence Lee.
Is Clarence Lee? Yeah, Clarence Lee is here. He's got the hat on. Oh, he can hear us too. Are you on the phone there too? Mr. Lee, can you take your hat off, please?
Yes.
Are you outdoors?
No, I'm inside.
All right, can you take your stocking off? All right.
All right, Your Honor, for
He was here.
Clarence
Today
Lee?
is the day- Yes, he was here.
Okay, the offer, would- all right, the offer would be improper, FTD, Your Honor.
Mr. Lee, do you have a driver's license?
No, I don't.
Are you trying to get one?
Yes.
What's stopping you from bringing a driver's license in here?
Beg your pardon? I can't hear you.
What's stopping you from bringing a driver's license in here?
I got to go to the Secretary of State and get one.
Why haven't you done that?
Because my parents and them, I'm taking care of them, man. It's a certain time I could do that. That's why I haven't did it yet.
Okay. Call the case, City of Detroit versus Clarence Rudolph Lee, case number SP 1333211. SP 1335212. SP 1333771 and SP 1333773 and SP 1333772. Appearance for the record, please.
Is that mine, Your Honor?
Whoever.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Hello, my name is Harrison Lee
No,
Giles.
I'm sorry. No, hold on a second, sir. Mr. Lee, state your name for the record, please.
Clarence Rudolph Lee Jr.
All right, Clarence Rudolph Lee Jr. Hold on, sir. We're on the record. Hold on a second. Mr.
Okay, thank
Faulkner,
you.
today is the date and time set for a trial for Mr. Clarence Rudolph Lee Jr. Mr. Goss has offered him an improper, strike that. He's offered him a FTD, which is gonna suspend his license for an additional 30 days at the minimum.
What's
He
his first
indicates-
name, Your Honor?
Clarence Lee.
Okay, I got it here. Okay.
He indicates to the court that he would like to go get a license, but he's caring for someone, and that has interfered with his ability to obtain that driver's license. Officer Orvis, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Officer Timothy Orvis, badge 15, Detroit Police Department.
Okay. And is there a Officer Povish here? No.
No, we just had that one with, we just had the one officer, Your Honor.
And you wrote all the tickets?
There's only 4 of them.
I got
No,
1, 2,
I don't owe
3,
that many
5.
tickets.
It was 5.
I don't see that many tickets. That's
There's
not
4
me.
on the docket.
Yeah, it's 4 on the docket, but it's 5. Let me see if, well, what do they call that back in the day? They say he threw the book at you, Mr. Lee.
Yeah.
I only got 1 ticket for illegal dumping. That's it.
Excuse me, sir, can you hold on?
Yes, sir. I'm
What
sorry.
is your name?
My name is Harrison Lee
Okay.
Giles.
All right, can you hold on, Mr. Giles, till I get to you, please?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
That's all right. Okay. Where are we?
Clarence Lee.
Yeah, we're at Clarence Lee. The offer right now is a failure to display. Do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions, Mr. Lee?
No.
No.
Oh my goodness, Giles.
Yeah. He won't.
I don't understand how to make him. I'm just gonna mute him.
There we go.
Any other tickets in any other jurisdictions, Mr. Lee?
No.
Mr. Goss,
Yes, Your Honor.
that offer still stand? Are you willing to amend that so he can get a driver's license or come back with a driver's license, or what would you like to do?
Officer Orovitz, do you have a problem with Mr. Lee getting a allowing instead of the FDD?
No, I have no issue with that. If he's trying to get his license, I'm fine with that.
Okay, allowing, Your Honor.
All right, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive for this driving while license improper. That's $240 fine, will dismiss upon payment. That'll give you the ability to not have anything abstract to the Secretary of State and get the misdemeanor dismissed if you pay it. And you can go get a driver's license. Other than that, the offer was failure to display. That's gonna automatically suspend your license for a minimum of 30 days. All the other cases will be dismissed if you take that allowing and pay that $240. What would you like to do, sir? You could speak to Mr. Faulkner in a breakout room, and today is the date and time set for a trial.
I'll take that off.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
say what again?
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes,
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
yes,
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right.
yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to April the 3rd, 2022 at around 7:57 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Irwin and Marcus Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes,
On that day, sir, were you operating a motor vehicle?
yes,
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
no,
All right, you just messed it up. You mean to tell me, Mr. Clarence, Mr. Lee,
yes.
that this officer pulled you over?
Oh, yes, yes.
Right.
Yeah, I understand you now.
And he did
Yeah,
not
he
ask
asked me.
you, and he did not ask you if you had a driver's license?
Yes, he asked me.
And you're saying no, that you couldn't produce a valid driver's license, right?
Right.
That was my next question. Why is that?
Because I never made it to the Secretary of State to get one.
Very well. Because you didn't have a license, correct? Okay, very well. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm gonna fine you $240 for that. I told you I dismissed that upon payment, and I'll dismiss the other 4 cases now with stipulation of probable cause, counsel.
So stipulate.
Mr. Lee, when can you pay?
But in February,
In February?
yes,
Are you on a fixed income, sir?
yes,
You get Social Security or what?
yes,
All right, I'm gonna give your client till February 13th, 2023. Have you back on February 13th, 2023 at 8:25 to make sure that's paid and we can close it out. That's $240, sir. If it's nothing further, I'd go get a valid driver's license now, whenever you can. Have a safe and happy holiday season. You can pay that at the DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come down to the courthouse in person and pay that, all right?
okay. How much is it? $240?
$240.
Okay,
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lee, have a safe and happy holiday season. And Officer Orbitz, if there's nothing further to do, you be safe out there. If I don't see you before the holiday, you have a safe and happy holiday season as well, all right?
and you too, man.
Thank you for your cooperation in this, officer. He was a big help to you, Mr. Lee. Or did I get the right Lee?
All right,
Your Honor,
thank you.
Okay,
Thank-
Mr.
Thank
Okay, you
you,
can
Your Honor.
sign off now, Mr.
You're free to leave, Mr. Lee.
All right. Have a happy holiday.
You too, thank you. Come back on February 13th, all right?
All right.
All right.
Your Honor, Mr. Gonzalez is in the breakout room. He's on a phone. I can't get him out.
All right, I'll bring him out.
It's a guilty plea or responsible.
Responsible plea?
Yes, sir.
I think Mr. Gonzalez may have left.
I couldn't get him out. I told him to wait.
I think Mr. Gonzalez left. Here's the city of Detroit versus Stephen Tyrone Love. Case number SP 1355447, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1355621. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Stephen Love.
Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Is Officer Sanchez here? Hearing no response.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Dante Goss, on behalf of the people, Officer Sanchez did appear and wanted me to dismiss this matter, Your Honor.
Okay.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, no objection to dismissal of all matters. Dismiss all matters.
It was
Mr.
one matter, Your Honor.
No, it was 3 matters. It was 4 matters.
For Stephen Love?
For Stephen Love, Stephen Tyrone Love, disregarding the red signal, no valid registration, no proof of insurance, and drove while license suspended, all set for trial, and Sanchez is the guy.
Okay, Your Honor, because on the
I got
docket,
valid
it was only one.
I have insurance valid here at the time.
It's okay, Your Honor. It's a dismissal.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season, Mr. Love. Your cases are closed, dismissed.
Okay, you too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's get the officer Good. We can get Officer Good. I don't think Hernandez. Who's your client? Who's the person that you're here on, Officer Hernandez?
Last Garrett, first initial T.
Okay, Teresa Garrett. All right, so we can get those officers out of here. That's Miss Garrett. Are you here?
He was a no-show, Your Honor. As far as I know.
Like, but you played it 16 hours into that.
I have 3 people on here that can't. 2 people that can't hear me. Who's on the iPhone there?
Darkeisha Gibbons.
There, finally. Okay. Let's get so Mr. Malafont, I guess they still haven't gotten their stuff together over at the jail because they didn't and indicate that they had an issue. All right, call them up, please. Let's call on Garrett's cases, all of these cases, and get these officers on their way. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Larisha Porsche Garrett, case number SP 101-1952, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 101-1959, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 121-04011. SP 985-292, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 985-3081. SP 987-092, counts 1, 2, and 3. U22641515. 15-544-9111. 18-2682-141. 18-333-697, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I apologize. I hate to have you do this, but can you start over with calling these cases for Garrett?
This is the city of Detroit versus Larisha Porsche Garrett, case number SP 101-1952, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 101-959, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 121-04011. SP 985-292, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 985-3081. SP 987-092, counts 1, 2, and 3. U 22641515. 15544911. 1826821141. 18333697, counts 1, 2, and 3. 18473071, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Excuse me, Your Honor, I dozed off there for a second.
I did
Yeah.
too, and we would have technical difficulty on the one that has the most cases.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendants, Your Honor. Your Honor, my client is not present. I have no excuse for her absence.
Hey, Officer Hernandez, can you put your appearance on the record? Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Officer Hernandez, badge 3711.
All right, good morning to you, Detroit Police Department.
Yes, sir.
All right, and Officer Good, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Corporal
Corporal
Curtis Good,
I'm
badge
sorry.
number 4. Corporal Curtis Good, badge number 4866, Detroit Police Department, sir.
All right, good morning to both of you. Designated time set for a trial in the matter. I am going to issue a failure to appear warrant for, it won't be the first time, Ms. Garrett's arrest. $0 bond. If there's nothing further, y'all have a safe, happy holiday season if I don't see you before the new year.
Same to you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Mrs. Darkeisha Precious Gibbons.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Some of these matters were set for formal hearing, oh, she didn't show up.
Yeah, I worked midnights. I was overslept.
That's no excuse.
I know. I'm just saying.
And I set aside the defaults for you on those.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get a valid driver's license?
Yes, I had to set an appointment to go back to the Secretary of State, and that's for Tuesday.
So that's a no.
No.
The question was, did you get a valid driver's license? Let's try it again.
Okay, no.
All right. All these tickets, I give you an opportunity.
Oh.
Did you take the driving class? Or were you offered the driving class?
No.
All right, this time you're gonna have to take the driving class as well if you want to deal. I'm gonna put the class in the chat. It's totally up to you. I don't don't see why you weren't offered the class in the first place. You got multiple speeding tickets of very excessive, over the speed limit. Class is in the chat now.
Say that one more time.
Class is in the chat. The name of the class and how to get there. It's online. If you want to take it,
Yes.
you send the certificate to us before you get back. Send it to me. My email address is in there. Forward me the certificate upon completion, and we will we'll set a new trial date. We'll get you an offer on the date of trial based on if you take the class, the offer is going to be better, obviously. And if you bring a valid driver's license and registration and insurance, it may even get even better. Let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Darkeisha Precious Gibbons. Case number SP 11023999, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11025671. It's also called, okay, to and 19-515-294, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Darkeisha Gibbons.
Yeah, my client would take the class, so we ask for an adjournment.
All right, I'm gonna allow your client to take the class. You have that information in the chat, ma'am. You can take a screenshot of that. I'm gonna set another trial date. This is the trial date. If you don't show up this time, I'm gonna put a cash bond on you. And that's gonna force you to show up. All right?
Yes.
You're almost, if you didn't show then, they would have put that $45 reinstatement fee back on you again.
Yeah, I know. I came up there.
Looks like you're gonna have to pay another $45 on 15-468-5423.
Okay.
15-468-5423. When do you go to the Secretary of State?
Tuesday.
Well, you better hurry up and pay. That's tomorrow?
Yes.
Well, you better come down here and pay that reinstatement fee today then. And I don't know if it's even gonna get there by tomorrow.
It should, Your Honor.
Well, she better pay $45 up front on that 15 thing. We'll put it in the computer. If there's nothing further, I have a trial date set for your client on February 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Gibbons?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a safe and happy holiday season. I'll see you in the new year.
You too. Thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Marvin Lewis, case number SP 110160 counts, strike that. SP 110160 counts 1 and counts 2, and 204-543-101. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malified, P72339, on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Marvin Lewis.
Your Honor, at this time, I need to speak to my client in a breakout room. I'm not certain how that will work.
All right, I'll put you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Pass that matter until they have an opportunity to speak. I think he's in there. Okay, what about Gordon? Rico Gordon? Where's Rico Gordon?
I think.
Here I go.
There he
Here I
is.
am.
All right, where was his, did we ever call his case?
Yes, Your Honor.
The answer is yes then.
Okay, yeah. Did you ever get a chance to talk to Mr. Goss? Mr. Goss has those files.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, sir.
I'll wait. Did you ever get a chance to talk to Mr. Goss, Mr.
This is on a Rico Gordon?
Yes.
Yes.
You had all the big cases and you wanted to speak with him specifically about it before he made the offer?
Yes.
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
You haven't, okay, I'm gonna give you a chance.
I didn't
to
write.
talk. Mr. Goss, Mr. Goss took the file. Where is, he had all of the paper document cases. And you spoke to him in a breakout room and you told me before Mr. Goss makes the offer, you want to speak to Mr. Goss.
I never got it in a breakout room with him.
All right, let me put you in a breakout room with him and see if, I don't know where Mr. Goss is. When he joins.
And I'm assuming my short-term memory is not too bad. I don't think I talked to him about it. I didn't write down anything.
Okay. Well, you got an opportunity.
He's not in the breakout room yet, is he?
No,
Okay.
he's not there yet.
But he's a busy man, so
That's what he claimed.
and he's sticking to it.
I'm gonna send him a message. Who's that?
Did he go in?
No, he hasn't done it. I just texted him. Let's move
Okay.
on to Desiree Ann Hartfeld.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, ma'am. Let me see your face, please. Turn your camera on, please.
Wait, I don't know how to do it.
You gotta figure it out, all right? I'll give you some time to figure it out.
There we go.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Desiree Ann Hartfeld. Case numbers SP 11-72216, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11-723-081, and SP 137-50801. Appearance for the record, please.
All talking on behalf of respondent, Your Honor. Your name, ma'am?
Desiree Hartfield.
This is a civil infraction, Your Honor.
Well, one of them is a disorderly conduct.
I don't have that on the docket.
I imagine this is, yeah, it's on the docket. I imagine this is from downtown.
Yes.
Well,
I'm here, Your Honor.
all right, Mr. Faulkner needs to speak to you regarding the file I gave you. Board, but we're on the record now with Desiree Hart.
I only see one on the docket, Your Honor.
It's on the back page back there. I got all 4 of them on the docket at 8:35 a.m. The second person, the third person down.
There's also one on 830.
There's one on page 1, and then there's the 3 on page 2.
I don't see the heart fill on page 1. Mine, you must have an older docket than mine.
8:30 a.m. 3/4 of the way down.
On the docket I have,
I
it
got-
also has that.
I think I called all the cases in there. So I got one
Okay.
disorderly conduct. I have one driving my license suspended, and then the rest of them are civil infractions. No proof of insurance, no registration, no plate. Expired plate at least.
Okay.
Today is the date and time set for pretrial in the matter. I don't have an offer. I imagine the disorderly conduct would be the main thing that people will be looking for. Mr. Goss, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Dante Goss, behalf of the people.
All right, I have these 3 cases. On the disorderly conduct, there is absolutely no remarks that indicate anything in the way of facts and circumstances that support the allegation. She has expired plates, no registration, no proof of insurance, disorderly conduct, and a driving license suspended. Do you have a valid license, ma'am?
No, because that ticket does open up in 2019 or something like that of insurance. It's still on my record. I didn't pay that yet, so my license is still suspended until I pay that ticket off.
I don't see an insurance ticket. I do see an insurance, no proof, but that's
Yeah,
2020.
Oh yeah, 2020 when like COVID was around.
I can allow your client to pay the reinstatement fee on that ticket up front and come back. We probably set a trial date so that I don't know, the officer can come in and explain himself. Nothing to go by on this ticket. What do you want to do for your client, Mr. Clark?
Well, I'm not going to put her guilty to disorderly conduct, but if we don't know what we're pleading guilty to, Your Honor. So I'd ask for a trial date and a chance for her to clear up her record.
All right, we can give her that chance. You want to do that, ma'am?
Yes.
Client sounds real soft spoken today, Mr. Fucker. I don't know what happened out there on Monroe and Bobian. They basically said she wasn't so soft spoken on that day. But,
Well, we all have different personalities at different places, Your Honor.
I see. All right. I'm going to allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front on SP 11722-163. I'm going to set a trial date on all the matters for February 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m. February 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m. It would behoove you to go pay that reinstatement fee up front, ma'am.
How much is that?
If you can bring a valid driver's license in the next time you come.
$45, ma'am, on that reinstatement fee.
Okay.
And you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse and pay that.
Okay.
That's SP 11722-163. You know that no insurance ticket. All right, and then you'll have clearances here at the 36th District Court. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a safe and happy holiday season. Good luck to you.
All right,
See
thank you.
back in the new year.
Your Honor, may I go into the breakout room with Mr. Goss on
Yes. On
Gordon?
Yes.
Rico Gordon?
All right, join the breakout room on Gordon. You have the file, Mr. Goss. okay, on the phone, can you press star? Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Marvin Lewis.
Your Honor, he's still in a breakout room. I was actually hoping to have a conversation with the court off the record quick. I know that we're live. If we could just go off of YouTube for a moment.
Let's go in a breakout room. I think if we go in the breakout room, we'll be off YouTube.
Sure, I don't know. I presume.
I think so too. All right, and then are we going? We have to wait on Mr. Goss, so hold on a second. All right, let's go with press star 6 on the phone. That's Mr. What's his name? Press star 6 on the phone, please. At 784-2252. Press star 6 so you can unmute yourself.
Mr. Lewis, just hang out for 1 second, okay?
Gloria Gaines needs to call this guy up. 313-784-2252. Tell him he needs to press star 6 to unmute himself.
Hi, it's 36 District Court, Judge Perkins, courtroom calling. Your Honor, would like.
I think Mr. Gordon back in the breakout room, Your Honor.
Unmute. Yes. Thank you.
Hold on. He's in there.
Thank you.
Mr. Goss is back.
Mr. Goss? Mr. Goss? Where did Mr. Goss go?
I don't know. He came back into the room, or at least his phone did, so I don't know for certain that he's here. I just presumed.
Need you in the breakout room for a sidebar. On Lewis.
On Lewis.
Yeah.
Something else. Oh, okay, he's here. Okay.
Yeah.
Gonzalez, let's bring him back on the stage. Call. That's his number up there. Call.
Judge, should I join or should I wait here?
Yeah, just join.
All right.
Okay, I need Mr. Gordon back in the courtroom. I can't get him out.
All right, let's go back on the record with Rico Gordon. Mr. Gordon, I'm giving you an opportunity. Did we call these cases, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, let's go back on the record with Mr. Enrico Gordon. I've given you an opportunity, sir, to speak with Mr. Faulkner in a breakout room. Mr. Faulkner, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor,
Hold on, Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis.
I'm bored down there.
Please just mute him, Your Honor.
Mr. Lewis, I don't want to mute him. I don't know.
He may not be able.
You're disrupting the court.
I didn't know my sound was on, my bad.
Can you unmute yourself? Do you have the control to the computer, or do they have to do it for you? That's all right. All right, Mr. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity. Let's go back on the record with Enrico Gordon. I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wants an adjournment till January for him to go back to the Secretary of State, and he has a good chance to get his license. Mr. Goss checked out his record and thinks he should be able to get his license. And if he comes back to the license, we're going to get a much better deal.
All right, if you want to do that, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to have you back on January 26th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Bring a valid
Okay.
driver's license, and we'll see if we can get you a deal on that date, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a safe and happy holiday season, and good luck to you.
You too, sir. Thanks a lot. And thank you, Counselor.
Thank you for thanking me. I appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. On the phone there, 784, what's your 2252, what's your name? Look, on the phone that just unmuted yourself.
Distance, so
I don't know what the person. I'm sending Gloria Gaines a message. I've already sent her one to connect. Let me go under this sidebar then.
Like 5 to 11. Easy.
Mr. Gordon?
Yes.
You got your date, is that correct?
Yeah, that's 126, right?
Yes, you're free to go.
Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good one now.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I don't know what the fuck, man. I'm on again. I got you. So you can't refuse this shit? Oh shit.
Yeah, I think he's still waiting. But whenever they talk, make sure you're in the quiet closet. Yeah, you on there. Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
Mr. Griggs,
They call me.
Mr. Gray.
Yeah.
Yes.
Benson,
Yes.
you're scheduled for 1:30.
Okay, I was just setting the phone up and getting
Okay.
some to show me how it works.
Okay. So just come back in at 1:30.
Thank you.
Okay.
You can't refuse this shit? Yeah. All right.
Who's the person on the phone ending in 2252?
Harrison Giles.
Giles?
Back, Mr. Lewis. Give us 1 second. The judge will be back in a moment.
Your first
like
name,
Perkins.
what was your first name, Mr. Giles?
Harrison,
Harrison.
Harrison.
Okay,
Lee, Lee. And then Giles, Giles.
okay, just be patient a minute.
Okay.
There we are.
All right, let's go back on the record, or did we call the cases, Marvin Lewis?
We did, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. After a sidebar, we were discussing procedure in this matter. I think your client, your attorney, Mr. Lewis, brought up some issues that we've gone through before. We understand that the cases are related, and that it's actually good counsel that he is wanting to push this matter out until he gets a resolution to the other case that you have. So what we'll do, it appears to the court that you have a pretrial date on February the 10th in Judge.
That's yeah.
Walker's courtroom at 3rd Circuit. Is that your understanding, Mr. Lewis?
I thought it was sometime in January, but if it's February, I'm sure y'all computer, right? But
Mr. Lewis, we had this conversation. You were out of the room. Just to clarify, what based on the information that you provided to me earlier, and then based on the court's records, it does appear that you have a pretrial date that is coming up on February 10th, 2023, on the case that is related to this one, the one that we talked about. And based on that information, sir, what we think we're going to do, based on what you and I talked about, is have you come back on that following Monday, because we think that there's a possibility that a plea might have been entered on that Friday.
all right.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll set a pretrial for this matter on February 13th, 2023. How do you, is the jail writing the information down, or are you giving it to the jail your next court dates? How does that work?
They keep track of it.
Okay.
It be in their system.
All right, so very well, because sometimes people don't show up, and I didn't know that was I didn't know how that worked. All right, Mr. Lewis, if there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir. I will see you back on February 13th, 2023 at 8:30, if there's nothing further. And I did notate the files. We're gonna give those other lawyers a call. Mr. Malafide, you don't have I don't think you have an appearance here on this case.
I will make sure, Judge, to send that over so that that's in the court's files.
You'll be ready for our
And
dinner.
then you can discuss with Judge Carter, the other cases that that will go along with this. If she wants to appoint you to those, the court
Yes,
has
Your
no
Honor.
problem with that.
Could the court
Actually,
quickly give me
would-
the end? Can you give me the last 4 digits of those cases?
All right, so I have SP 1101608 counts 1 and counts 2. And then you have the 204-543-101. Correct?
Yes. All right. I will make sure that those are. I will talk to Ruth Carter about that. But I believe that is
6081
it.
and 6082.
Thank you.
All right, if it's nothing further, everybody have a safe, happy holiday season. If I don't see you before the season.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lewis, I'll see you in February.
All right, thanks. Hey, Dad.
All right, Mr., who's on the phone there?
Giles, Harrison Giles.
I don't see Giles.
He's not on, anytime today.
Not even on this afternoon?
That is correct.
What's your name, Giles? Giles? Now he's muted again. *6 to unmute yourself, sir. Whatever happened to this guy? Where's Giles? *6 to unmute yourself.
Okay.
Oh, I know Lester Lay.
That's him on the phone. He's trying to concern himself about his tickets.
He was supposed to be here the other day, wasn't
Yeah, I think that's what he's trying to tell me. I think he wanted to try to figure out. Hold on. I think he's trying to figure out.
he? Got a hotel late 3rd. Birthday.
9/23/57.
That's at least June.
And he had told me if I did my license, that he was gonna, dismiss all tickets and I would be able to get my stuff back. So now that I got my license and everything, I even got me a job. I'm trying to drive for,
Lyft or Uber?
no, not, it's,
Metro?
it's, Amazon.
Oh, okay. So what's the issue at hand?
Me, getting my stuff out of that car and getting my car.
Oh, the car was impounded?
Yes, ma'am. And, all my stuff was brand new and the receipt was in the bag. But he told me I can take them, but it was too much stuff for me to take.
Oh, so what?
He's gotta go talk to a lawyer. I don't see him have any cases, so.
You don't have any open cases, so you have to speak with the lawyer about, how to go through getting your stuff out of the car that has been impounded off of the tickets that the judge closed.
Yeah, you know, the judge, they had hold the car, so they couldn't do nothing until after my case. But your honor had told me, once that was cleared up, I would be able to get my car and my stuff back.
You gotta go talk to the police. Or the prosecutor. I don't know. You have to go talk to the police or the prosecutor. I don't have anything, I don't have any, what's.
I understand, Your Honor. You've been a great help to me already, man. So I'm not even gonna press, because ain't nobody been as proud of me as you have in a long time. And as far as me knowing, the stuff that I've been through, it's all illegal by the way everything been done, from the way they took my car, knowing my, even the police officer was on my side.
What case did you have? What case were you in here for?
They had put me over because I had license in 1979, and I told my officer, you know, when he asked me why I pulled over, I said because when I saw y'all sitting there, I knew I was off the car, but I don't know why they pulled over.
Oh, so you You gave yourself up then. So you're Mr. Lay, that you ain't never told a man that you love him in your life.
Yeah, you.
That's so nice. That's so sweet. Oh.
You've been straight with me, and I'll be straight in life. That's why I don't got no criminal record. I always want to be a police officer. So I made sure I was one to have a book for law. And that's my uncle, God, Detroit police officer.
Yeah, I know that name, Slappy.
Yeah, that's my uncle and my auntie is for homicide.
Yeah, she is. Are you related to Gary Jones?
No, Gary Black.
No.
I was my cousin, the one that told me something that he lost his best friend in the police accident. My whole family got police accident. My first cousin died in 1960.
Okay, so I don't have any open cases for you. I got Odell Beckham. Lester Odell Lay the third.
Yeah, I know you told me to tell him to come see you.
Did
I haven't talked to him yet.
Oh.
My son, you know, young kids, they do all that Facebook stuff. That my old daughter told me that when she talked to him, I told him to turn himself in on that ticket that he owed. But you told me. So I try to get him to do the right thing.
All right, well, I don't have any cases that are open for you. And if you have an issue with that vehicle, you need to go to the Detroit Police Department and find out where the vehicle is. If it's been impounded, they should send you a letter. It'll go to auction at some point, but they should send you a letter before it gets to that point.
Yeah, but that's been since last year.
Well, you better go check it out.
I don't know what to do because just by them taking my stuff right after, like even when I told you that my girlfriend purposely did that, it caused them to have no full video. And I don't run with the police, so she already knew I wasn't going to do nothing legal. I was going to find myself.
All right.
Things like that don't be working for the black people. When we turn ourselves in, man, good come out of it. It's always seems like it don't happen good.
Well, it came out good for you. You got your cases dismissed.
Yeah, that's because of you. It didn't have nothing to do with the